Good morning, Joseph from Ericsson Nissan, 780-887-9168. Today we have 2010 Jeep Patriot, beautiful orange brick color, whatever you call. Look at this, look. And coming to the wheels, 17-inch wheels, really good for maintenance. We have folding mirrors, back, very clean. Nice fabric seats. And checking out the kilometers, 128,023 kilometers only. 4-wheel drive. That's how it looks from here. Radio, AM, FM, air condition, heating, shifter, right side, passenger side, and you have moonroof. And beautiful music right now, although it's raining, like in BC. Coming back to the second row, nice, clean, what can I say? A great condition, no rust. Again, that's 17-inch. Yeah, opening, no problem. And crank. So you have winter mats, and it says here Jeep Patriot. So on that side, once again, how it looks. Oh, you have huge console here, I think, for entertainment unit. I didn't notice. And from this side we have a little scratch that looks like a nice pattern, really, for me. And this is for the first time buyer car, which is in the range of 7,000, maybe 200 all in. And great car for the first buyer. So my telephone number 780-887-9168, Joseph, and I would love to hear from you. Please call me or text. Thank you so much.